I just want to again welcome शाहनवाज। शाहनवाज जी बहुत ही इंस्पायरिंग काम करते हैं और वो जिस संस्था से जुड़े हुए हैं उसका नाम है मोहल्ला कमेटी ट्रस्ट, जो 92-93 के राइट्स के बाद के रिस्पॉन्स में बना था। और ये इस तरीके से हुआ कि रजनी और जॉन हमारे बहुत ही सुपर अमेजिंग दोस्त एल्डर्स है, जो हमारे साथ बहुत सारी ऐसी पुरानी कहानियां बताते रहते हैं हमको सीखने के लिए। तो उनकी कहानियों से हमको समझ में आया कि मोहल्ला कमिटीज करके कुछ स्टार्ट हुआ था और बहुत सारा काम किया था उन्होंने राइट्स के समय। उसके बाद का रिकंसाइलेशन कैसे करने के लिए, उसके बाद पीस कैसे लाए, हारमनी कैसे लाए। और बस तो वो हमारे दिमाग में स्टोरी थी, वो जहन में था। तो उसके बाद हमने रीच आउट किया और सोचा कि कैसे हम और जान पाए, कैसे हम और समझ पाए। तो पर्सनली भी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड और क्यूरियस हूँ समझने के लिए कि क्या चल रहा था, कैसे हुआ। तो अगर शाहनवाज आप शेयर कर पाए स्टार्टिंग की, स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ, क्यों हुआ, हिस्टोरिकली क्या सीन था उस समय पे, क्या हुआ, ताकि हम वो भी समझ पाए कि सिटीजन एक्शन की शुरुआत किस तरीके से आपने की, और फिर हम जा सकते हैं कि अभी करंट टाइम्स में क्या चल रहा है।
Sure. Thank you so much, Tejal. And I really feel very blessed to be a part of this particular session. और बेहद खुशी के साथ मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि शायद और बेहतर तरीका नहीं होता आज के वक्त में आप लोगों के साथ जुड़ने के लिए।
सॉरी, आई थिंक शाहनवाज जी आपके यहाँ पे दो डिवाइसेस कनेक्टेड होंगे तो एको
Right.
हो रहा है आवाज।
Let me just leave from one. Is it better now?
हाँ, दिस इज बेटर।
तो मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट की शुरुआत हुई थी 1994 में, जिसके पहले हुआ था मुंबई पे बहुत जोरदार तरीके से, कहते हैं ना, डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स में गुजरने का जो वक्त आया था वो वाज अराउंड 92-93, जब मुंबई में दंगे हुए थे। और हम सब ने कई कहानियां सुनी होंगी उसके बारे में, एंड हाउ डेवस्टेटिंग इट वाज एट दैट टाइम। तो मुंबई पुलिस भी परेशान थी, लोग भी परेशान थे, बट किसी को उस वक्त से निकलने का कोई रास्ता नहीं पता चल रहा था। जैसे तैसे मुंबई पुलिस ने काफी मेहनत की और जो है हालात को काबू करने की कोशिश की, बट लोगों के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा तादाद में गुस्सा फिर भी भरा हुआ था काफी लंबे समय तक। उस वक्त मिस्टर सतीश सहानी, जो आज ट्रस्टी है मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट के, और ही वाज कमिश्नर पुलिस ऑफ मुंबई एट दैट टाइम, उन्होंने कुछ कोट किया था, एंड आईड लाइक टू जस्ट बिगिन माय शेयरिंग विद दैट कोट, since it is something which he has quoted, and I really it really affected, and उससे हमको समझ में आ जाएगा कि कितना कितना मुश्किल टाइम था. All right, so I'm just going to read that out. Okay, what he said had actually impacted and motivated so many of us who are a part of Mohalla committee at the moment. And it was like this: in my 30 years of professional police work, I had never encountered such bitterness and hostility in members of one community against another, and utter disgust for the police force. So हम समझ सकते हैं कि इनके स्टेटमेंट से जो हालात का जायजा होता है वो आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि पुलिस अपना काम भी कर रही थी, फिर भी उनको जो है वो पीस ऑफ माइंड नहीं था, बिकॉज लोग इतने बुरे वक्त से गुजर रहे थे। तो तभी सतीश साहनी के पास जो है मिस्टर जूलियो रुबेरो, हु इज द को फाउंडर ऑफ मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट, उन्होंने कुछ लोगों के साथ अप्रोच किया और वहां से शुरुआत हुई थी हाउ वी कैन स्टॉप दिस, हीलिंग कहाँ से शुरुआत की जाए, बिकॉज कोई कहीं से कुछ सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं था, सब लोगों ने नुकसान उठाया था, सबको तकलीफें हुई थी।
So I feel that we should try to open people like Shahnawaz, open people like Julia Ribeiro, and those older people. Was he still alive? Okay. Anyway,
Yes.
get their experience into this and see what kind of we can do. The second thing that we have to fight against is this danda culture. You can see it in the whole, the way in which they have, done this, what you call lockdown. You make a lockdown based on a danda culture. You have Southern India, which glorifies, how the danda is solving crime, and we don't say anything about those things. You see, the so I do think that we need to work on this. Sorry. Third, lastly, you spoke about it, humans of the other side. We have to think in terms of making small modules or whatever and keep on getting them viral, humans of the other side. And the other side could be even our side, but the side that we don't see. It's like our pawalas are thrown out from this area. So I would like to, maybe if I interview somebody and just say, okay, this is what happened, this, now your business has been taken over by so-and-so jail, which has happened in our area. So that would be a thing, but very, indirect level where people can see the reality. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing that. And yes, that is why I had requested that if somebody, I see that a lot of us are not from that time. So, sir, thank you so much for sharing. And you are absolutely right. That is why, to make sure these things get carried to the next generation or the current youth, we have also developed some other activities which has taken the initiative or making sure that तरीके से हम ये मैसेज जो कम्युनल हार्मनी, पीस या फिर गलत फहमी जिसको कहते हैं हम ना फैलने दें, उसको बरकरार रखने के लिए मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट ने एक और एक्टिविटी शुरू की थी आज से 25 साल पहले, जिसका नाम था क्रिकेट फॉर पीस। बिकॉज यूथ जो है वो स्पोर्ट्स से काफी जुड़ा हुआ रहता है, आपने देखा है और हम सब आई एम श्योर अग्री करते होंगे। तो क्रिकेट एक ऐसा गेम है जिसमें हर किसी का इंटरेस्ट देखा गया है मैक्सिमम। ओके, आई विल नॉट से हर किसी का, यस मैक्सिमम। तो उसके माध्यम से और लोकल यूथ ऑफ कम्युनिटी टीम को साथ में पार्टिसिपेट करने का एक पूरा प्रोग्राम तय किया, डिसाइड किया, जिसका नाम था क्रिकेट फॉर पीस। And in that, every year that happens, every year we get youth involved in that particular tournament, and at least 2 of the police officials, they join together in the team of 11 and they play, and over there जो heat of the moment ये एक पुलिस से जो डर होता है वो तो निकला ही निकला और निकलता रहता है, बट साथ ही साथ जो यूथ के अंदर कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ फॉरेन डिस्टर्बेंस या फिर इन्फ्लुएंस का असर हो, ऐसे माहौल में निकल सा जाता है। एंड वी मेक श्योर दैट वी कंट्रीब्यूट एंड शेयर द मैसेज वेरी क्लियरली विद द यूथ एंड वी स्टे कनेक्टेड। साल से कई हजार यूथ मुंबई में मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट से क्रिकेट फॉर पीस में पार्टिसिपेट कर भी वो मैसेज ऑफ मुंबई मोहल्ला कमेटी
Hello.
Shahnawaz?
I think his network is low. I think he's having problem network issue. Can someone edit? Oh, so John ka Wesley है.
Maybe I'll just try checking in with him over WhatsApp.
हाँ, तब तक we can take up the John ka suggestion on Ahimsa conversation, or we can engage with the dialogue here. Like we can have a conversation around this. What what they gather around the John and Shahnawa's ka discussion.
Sure.
So yeah, we can start here by saying it.
John's also put one thing, he checked Ahimsa conversations on YouTube. So for people who don't know yet, Ahimsa conversations में non-violence के ऊपर काफ़ी अलग-अलग लोगों के व्यूज रिकॉर्ड किए हुए हैं जो लोग नॉन-वायलेंस की इसके ऊपर काफ़ी काम कर रहे हैं उनके साथ वो रिकॉर्डिंग है काफ़ी अच्छे डिटेल्ड कॉन्वर्सेशंस हैं.
Yes. Can you hear me? I don't know
Yes.
what happened. I don't know when I was out.
Yeah, actually your camera froze, so.
Yeah, मेरा भी screen freeze हो गया था.
Others, Rohan, Ravindra, Prachi, can you hear? अगर आप चैट में रिप्लाई कर सके या फिर अगर आप थम्स अप करके निशा थैंक्स आई कैन सी ठीक है seems yes Rohan can also okay we can start.
Yes. So क्या आप बता सकते हैं केजल मैं कहाँ पर फ्रीज हुआ था? Because
So we can also take John का suggestion on something like he wrote. मैं chat में डाल देती हूँ फिर से. He like he asked like can someone edit Harsh Mendel's speech to just 1 minute where he speaks soft speech and make it viral. Like can we like start from your like if we like.
So that we can take up, we can just put and ask anybody else also. I think अभी के लिए शाहनवाज आप रिप्लाई कर देते जॉन को आप वहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं मुझे भी ऐसे स्पेसिफिक लास्ट स्टेटमेंट याद नहीं है पर ब्रॉडली आप रिप्लाई कर रहे थे कि यूथ के साथ आप क्रिकेट करते हैं और क्रिकेट की वजह से कैसे लोग जुड़ रहे हैं.
correct. Yeah, I just share that in brief that how cricket के जरिए से लोग जो है जुड़ते हैं लोगों का मतलब यहाँ पर youth का था especially because you know youth get influenced very easily. So उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए हमने सोचा कि why not the favorite sport और इसी सोच के साथ क्रिकेट फॉर पीस का इनिशिएटिव लॉन्च किया गया है एंड फ्रॉम लास्ट so many years we have been doing that और हर साल हजारों की तादाद में यूथ हमारे साथ जुड़ते हैं उस स्पोर्ट्स में और कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ दैट रिलेशन बिटवीन देम स्टेज ऑन विद अस और जो पुराने यूथ होते हैं वो अपना मैसेज कैरी ऑन करते रहते हैं बिकॉज व्हेन दे गो बैक टू द कम्युनिटी वेयर दे रिसाइड ऑलराइट सो जो उन्होंने हमारे साथ मोमेंट शेयर किए थे सीखा था वो उनमें भी शेयर करने की कोशिश करते हैं और इसी तरीके से मैसेज ऑफ मोहल्ला कमेटी दैट इज मेकिंग श्योर टू हैव peace and communal harmony impacted together that is the spirit of Mumbai we carry on that message.
Right. Yes, Nisha has a question. I'm not sure what happened before I was here, so अगर जॉन के कुछ क्वेश्चंस पे आप रिप्लाई कर रहे थे तो अगर वो कंप्लीट हो गया we can also take the next question from Nisha.
Sure.
Nisha, would you like to share your voice?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you शाहनवाज शेयर करने के लिए आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से शेयर किया स्टोरी बताया तो मुझे ये जानना था कि आपने जैसे मोहल्ला कमेटी का बताया कि 25 इयर्स से आप कैसे पीस लाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं एंड ला पाए हैं तो काफ़ी ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स रहे होंगे जहाँ पे कुछ लोग सपोर्टिव नहीं रहे होंगे एंड अगेंस्ट में रहे होंगे तो आपने किस तरीके से उनको समझाने की कोशिश की है मतलब वो सिचुएशन को कैसे टैकल किया है उसके ऊपर अगर आप कुछ शेयर कर सकते हैं तो.
श्योर, थैंक यू सो मच निशा। यस, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन रहती है जब ऐसा कुछ होता है। तो मुझे एक इंसिडेंस याद आ रहा है दैट यू नो in Muslims we have a festival called Muharram, okay, and my fellow community they have in Hindus we have Ganesh Chaturthi, right? And coincidentally these two festival they come together, right? और जहाँ पर मैं रहता हूँ which is in Jogeshwari, Mumbai Jogeshwari, we have a place where both of these two things, the setup of it gets happens together. तो बहुत ही हॉट सिचुएशन शुरुआती के दिनों में रहा करती थी। तो हम लोग काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता था कि कुछ लोगों के गलत सेंटेंस की वजह से एक बहुत ही खराब मैसेज जाता था और माहौल जो है डिस्टर्ब हो जाता था, जैसे कि आप कह रहे हो। ओके, तो काफ़ी सोचने के बाद हमने एक शुरुआत की और वो ये थी कि हमने दोनों ग्रुप्स के जो लीडर्स होते हैं, जिनको हमने कांटेक्ट करने की कोशिश की और उनके साथ चीज़ें शेयर की। नाउ दीज़ पीपल हैव वेरी क्लियर माइंड एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग अबाउट harmony and peace, and we know that none of these communities or no religion talks about all this negativity. So we requested them to understand the situation and we requested them to आप जो है इन चीजों को कंट्रोल करने में अपने लोगों तक सही चीजों को शेयर करें और बताएं कि किस तरीके से हम मिलकर भी काफी बहुत ही खुशहाली से इस अपने अपने त्योहारों को मना सकते हैं और उसका जो मजा होगा वो शायद इन गलत फहमियों के मुकाबले बहुत ही ज्यादा होगा। और वो कोशिश करने के बाद जब पहला साल ऐसा वक़्त आया जब मुहर्रम के टाइम पे क्या होता है दैट वी हैव अ स्टेज सेटअप एंड द लीडर फ्रॉम आवर मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी दे शेयर द इंसिडेंट्स ऑफ मुहर्रम, ओके। तो उस वक़्त जो आरती होती है, पूजा होती है, उसको थोड़ा-सा धीमा किया जाता है ताकि वो जो 2 घंटे का वक़्त है वो गुज़र जाए। और प्लस जब भी हम विसर्जन के लिए जाते हैं, तो उस वक़्त इन स्टेज का जो जितना भी इंतज़ाम है, उसको एक साइड कर लिया जाता है ताकि बहुत ही इत्मीनान से और पूरी तैयारी के साथ में दोनों चीज़ें बरकरार हो जाएँ। और वो मैं तो पिछले 20 साल से देख रहा हूँ कि अभी तक कहीं पर कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई, स्पेशली वेयर आई रिसाइड और ऑल ओवर मुंबई हमने देखा है। हमारे जो फेलो मेंबर्स हैं दादर में जहाँ पर सबसे बड़ा सेटअप होता है गणेश चतुर्थी का, वहाँ पर भी जो है ये प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं और बड़े ही शांतिपूर्वक और बहुत ही अमन और शांति के साथ इसको अंजाम दिया जाता है। So the initiative began when we started speaking with the leaders of the respective community, और उनके कोऑपरेशन के साथ में लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से सपोर्ट किया और जो जो कुछ लोगों को जो प्रॉब्लम्स और जो सवाल खड़ा कर रहे थे उन लोगों को समझाया गया और फिर बाद में वो भी हमारे साथ जुड़कर इसमें अच्छे से हिस्सा लेने लगे। So yeah, that is how we tackle the situation.
Thank you for sharing. I have one more question. Can I share? Okay. So जैसे आपने शेयर किया क्रिकेट का कि आपने क्रिकेट स्टार्ट किया यूथ के लिए, तो मुझे ये जानना था कि वो क्रिकेट में सिर्फ मर्द लोगों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट था या औरतें या गर्ल्स या यंग लड़कियां भी ज्वाइन कर सकती है उसको, ये या सिर्फ
मेल
बॉयज?
ओरिएंटेड तो नहीं है,
ओके।
राइट।
हाँ।
इनिशियली हमने उसी तरीके से शुरू किया था एंड देन ये पॉइंट सामने आया दैट व्हाई नॉट गर्ल्स आल्सो, बिकॉज दे शुड आल्सो बी एबल टू शेयर दैट प्लेटफॉर्म, और हमने उसकी शुरुआत भी की थी। बट बहुत सारे एरियाज, Mumbai has, I think, 11 or 13 zone of police station of Mohalla committee, who's been working around 13, 11 to 13 zones में। तो हर जोन में अराउंड 3 to 6 पुलिस स्टेशन आते हैं, लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन। तो एज यू नो दैट सब लोगों को ये जो क्रिकेट का जो टीम होता है उसके अंदर वी हैव सम गाइडलाइंस दैट इतने मुस्लिम, इतने हिंदू, इतने क्रिश्चियन, इतने सिख, इतने ईसाई कंपलसरी मिलाकर विद 2 पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स जो है ये टीम तैयार की जाए। नाउ a lot of areas we used to get this team for of girls as well, बट कुछ कुछ एरियाज में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता था दैट ड्यू टू द स्ट्रिक्ट what do you say, the idea of wearing hijab, a lot of Muslim girls were not allowed to join and play together. This has happened, I think, 10 to 12 years back. So we had decided that let us have girls as well and उनको भी इसके साथ जुड़ने का खेलने का मौका दिया जाए. But due to that part, we never wanted to hurt any religions and their social उनके जो basic values हैं. और उस वजह से जो है लड़कियों का, फीमेल्स का जो ये प्रोग्राम है, हमको ड्रॉप आउट करना पड़ा. वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन ब्रिंगिंग अप फुटबॉल, और उसमें हम फीमेल्स को शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं. वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन दैट पायलट प्रोजेक्ट. सो होपफुली अगर सब कुछ ठीक रहा तो दिस January we'll be having our cricket if the lockdown and everything gets sorted out. We might be introducing that as well, but we are not sure because अभी तो ये पूरा साल आप जानते हैं किस तरीके से गुजरा है.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Nisha. And I think just building on Nisha's question, Nisha के question ने मेरे अंदर और curiosity डाल दी पूरे gender angle को लेके. And I think just looking at gender and peace as an angle also. तो और कोई एक्टिविटीज हुई होगी क्या? स्पोर्ट्स नहीं हो सकता है मे बी, बट किसी और तरीके से क्या आप लोगों ने देखा है women participation in peace movements in general? I know I spoke to Maria ji, who's a woman who's coordinating the entire thing right now. But other than this, what have been the different ways you've seen women's participation? Have there been
Yes.
activities? What has it been like?
ऐसे दो मेजर एक्टिविटीज हैं जिसमें वुमेन्स का पार्टिसिपेशन बहुत बढ़ चढ़ के हमने चाहा है और वो रहा भी है. वन ऑफ देम इज द essay writing competition as well as the painting and drawing competition. Of course, the theme and the idea behind that was to make the youth realize what do you mean by equality, what do you mean by peace and harmony. तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए ऑल ओवर सारे जोन्स के अंदर मुंबई में हर स्कूल के साथ हमने इस चीज को डिस्कस किया. एंड एवरी ईयर वी हैव essay writing and painting competition, drawing competition amongst boys and girls both. बट उसमें हम सारे मिलकर पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं to make sure everybody has the equal platform, and we really promote that for sure. और उसमें बट उसके अंदर काफी तादाद में फीमेल्स यानी जो गर्ल स्टूडेंट है उन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट लिया है और उनका रिजल्ट भी आउटस्टैंडिंग रहा है. व्हाट वी हैव सीन इज थ्रूआउट दीज मेनी इयर्स मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द विनर्स जिसको हम कहते हैं वो लड़कियों ने ही उसको हासिल किया है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी आल्सो हैव वुमेन सेल जो स्ट्रेस से गुजर रही हैं. हमारी महिलाएं जो बहनें हैं जो शादीशुदा जिंदगी से या किसी भी प्रॉब्लम से वो लोग को तकलीफ होती है, तो वी हैव अ वुमेन सेल जो ईच पुलिस स्टेशन से कोलैबोरेट करके वहां पर वीकली ट्वाइस अ वीक we have these meetings, and if somebody has these problems they can bring it to our facilitators, and we make sure that we take it in a very appropriate channel and try to solve their conflicts or maybe find the solution or of that. So yeah, these are the areas where we work with females more.
Thanks. Anybody else has questions? Maybe I can then anyway continue with you. I had a list of questions for myself.
Wow.
I think for me, I think the question was also how are these members who are joining and who are doing this work? Because what I understood also that these are all citizens who are volunteering. So how is the engagement? How are you sustaining this as a movement which is started so early on and is still going on? So how are you getting citizens to be a part of this? And why just citizens? Like, what is this entire idea behind pushing citizens? उनको ही क्यों?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि किस तरीके से हम लोगों को साथ में जुड़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहित करते हैं, मोटिवेट करते हैं. तो सिंस वी हैव जोन्स, in each zone there is a team of Mohalla committee members who have been working from last 25 years. I have been a part of the organization from last 20 plus years. तो हम लोगों का उद्देश्य सिर्फ खुद अपनी टीम में पीस ऑफ और हार्मनी के मैसेज को यूथ तक पहुंचाना ही नहीं, साथ में ही जो लोग जो बच्चे या जो यूथ ऐसी सोच रखते हैं या उनको अगर कुछ क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है अबाउट थिंग्स एंड दे आर वन one side minded kind of personality, so we try to look at those youth and we try to speak to them, and then we invite them in our monthly meetings as well, so that they can see that how this platform has opportunity or sharing option in front of this large audience जिसमें 75 years या 80 years से लोग शुरू होते हैं from the end, और कोई लिमिट नहीं है कि आप 5 साल की उम्र से भी हम हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हो। और लाइक आई सेड के यूथ के साथ क्रिकेट में जब हम पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो वहां से उनका कनेक्शन और उनके फैमिलीज के साथ भी कनेक्शन शुरू हो जाता है। तो हम उनको सिर्फ वो क्रिकेट खिलाने के लिए ही या उनको शामिल करने के लिए इनवाइट नहीं करते हैं। आफ्टर द क्रिकेट आल्सो वी ट्राई टू मेंटेन दैट कनेक्शन विद द यूथ, and that is how their families also get connected with us. And if somebody from the family is really happy to work with us and take this responsibility, we open our arms and let them in. One thing I'd like to point out over here, हम इस बात का बिल्कुल ख्याल रखते हैं, since मोहल्ला कमेटी मूवमेंट ट्रस्ट is a non political organization, all right, तो हम इस बात का ध्यान रखते हैं कि कोई भी शख्स जो हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहता है वो कोई पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का ताल्लुक नहीं रखता हो, ओके, which is very important as per the values of Mohalla Committee Movement Trust. Yeah,
Right.
I hope I've tried to answer your question.
Yes. So just clarifying, you're saying all the members of the committee are volunteers.
Yes, apart from the facilitators, rest all the members are volunteers.
So how many facilitators
Now we are
can you
working
give
on.
us?
I think each zone has minimum 2 facilitators, and the number of members can be as many as we want. Now we are working on making it official registration of membership as well. From last year we have started that campaign. So उसमें ऐसा होगा कि जो लोग वॉलंटरी लेवल पे रहना चाहते हैं वो वैसा भी रह सकते हैं, और जो सच में हमारे साथ जुड़कर एक लंबे समय तक इस काम को अंजाम देना चाहते हैं हम उनको एक परमानेंट मेंबरशिप भी ऑफर करते हैं।
और ये आपने क्यों सोचा, कहाँ से आया
ये आइडिया आया था जब हमें ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि वॉलंटरी लेवल पे काम करने की वजह से उनसे थोड़ा सा कांटेक्ट छूट रहा है, ओके, एंड बहुत सारे हालात पिछले 8-10 साल में कई बार ऐसा हुआ कि मुंबई में चीजें खराब होने की आसार दिखाई दे रहे थे, तो तभी ऐसा लगा कि हमारी स्ट्रेंथ को और डबल करना बहुत जरूरी है, so that we are ready for whatever is coming, okay, and we Mohalla Committee Movement Trust is like an invisible team of soldiers who are working behind the screen, and we like people who would like to do that instead of coming on a lot of in front. वहां पर काम करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है, तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हम बैक एंड में ही इतनी बड़ी टीम बना ले जिसकी मदद से हमारे एतराफ में जरा सा भी सोशल डिस्टर्बेंस जो है वो ना हो पाए।
Great. Nisha, you can go ahead with your question.
तो मुझे ये जानना था कि जैसे रिलीजन एंड कमिटीज में हम ट्राई करते हैं कि जेंडर इक्वालिटी आए, बट कहीं ना कहीं वो इक्वल है अभी भी। तो आपके जैसे टीम के अंदर कितनी औरतें एंड कितनी यंग लड़कियां जुड़ी हुई है वो मुझे जानना था।
आई थिंक मैं काउंट तो नहीं बता सकता, बट मैं आपको परसेंटेज बताता हूँ दैट अगर 100% में मैं देखूं तो as far as I am aware of, we have young लड़कियां, मैं मानता हूँ it's around I would say that 35 tak you are young. Okay, so just a number, kidding. Okay, because age is just a number. So around 30%, I believe, yes, 30%.
ओके। तो आप ऐसे ट्राई करते हैं अपने एंड से कि आपके टीम के अंदर और औरतें जुड़े और फीमेल्स जुड़े, क्योंकि एक लड़की ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से कनेक्ट कर पाती है दूसरी लड़की से। जैसे स्पोर्ट में आपने कहा कि ड्रॉप आउट हो गया था,
जी,
तो वही हम ज्यादा एनकरेज करें कि क्यों ड्रॉप आउट हो गया था और कैसे और इक्वल हम बना सकते हैं। तो आपने कभी ऐसा इनिशिएटिव लिया है या आप सोच रहे हैं ऐसा करने के लिए?
एक्चुअली लिया है इनिशिएटिव। इसके लिए हम लोग जो फुटबॉल सेक्शन है उस पर ज्यादा फोकस कर रहे हैं। एंड हम इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे भी जो हमारे सीनियर फीमेल मेंबर्स है मोहल्ला कमेटी के, उनको भी हम लोग अलग से इस चीज पर तवज्जो देने की कोशिश करने के लिए, आई मीन फोकस ऑन दैट, और टेक मोर एफर्ट्स टू हैव फीमेल मेंबर्स, बिकॉज आई somewhat agree to what you have said, that फीमेल्स जो है फीमेल्स को ज्यादा बेहतर तरीके से समझ सकते हैं, एंड आई लाइक आई सेड somewhat agree with you as well. तो इसीलिए हमने उनसे भी इस बात का शेयरिंग शुरू किया है। पिछले 3 साल में इसी वजह से नंबर ऑफ फीमेल्स हैव इंक्रीज्ड। ओके, और उससे काफी बेहतरी नजर आई है। एंड वी आर स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन दैट टू हाउ टू improve more, so that we can have more number of females coming in to join us.
When you said
Thank you.
35%, did you also mean all the senior women members also?
No, 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 no. 30% of young.
Okay.
That is what Nisha was asking. So
Okay. And see,
approximately.
if you count senior women members also,
Then I think we have more than 50% of women's in the organization.
oh, then that sounds good.
Yes, because when she said that women understand women much clearly, so we do agree with that, and we have seen the result. That is the reason we have more of females in the organization. And yes, their work
Mm.
has been outstanding, because they can really get into the core of another person at times, especially women to women, and that works. And as you know, the prime minister of any house is a woman. So if we have that value inbuilt in a female section, then they will be the right person to share that inside the entire family, and that impacts the entire family.
Yeah, I think John ने chat में भी लिखा है कि to get more girls, we must also have more activities which do not involve people joining in visible, noisy or in your face kind of activities. क्यों कौन सी तरीके की activities है उससे भी कुछ चीजें influence हो जाती हैं. I suppose it's a chicken and egg situation, and perhaps some of you girls should think of activities which they can join in, and like creating local small WhatsApp groups. So yeah, I think that's a great idea.
Very nice. Yeah, I agree.
Mm.
Very nice. uh, I Is it John who has
Yeah, it's John.
mentioned this? Thank you so much, John. Yes, this is something which is really uh, I'm going to take this to the team for sure. Thank you.
I had one question around why did you join Mohalla committee? When did you join? How did this start for you? What has been your journey? I mean, Mohalla committee के बारे में बहुत सुना, but आपकी journey क्या है? आपकी कहानी क्या है?
Well, in short, अगर मैं बताऊंगा तो शायद आपको clearly understand हो जाएगा. My father was the one of the uh, first member to join Mohalla committee. He's been social worker his entire life. Okay, and he has the same belief as what Mohalla committee believes. Bringing the peace and staying together with everyone, irrespective of whatever community they belong to. My father shares festivals with each of the community. He goes and visits with me for sure. I've been with him whenever possible. So I had that same feeling about others. Okay, and that is what made me join Mohalla committee 20 years back. So I was around 15, 16. I was not even 18 at that time, but I used to love the atmosphere. Whenever he used to take me a lot in the meetings, and I used to sit and uncle aunties are talking about something, those stuffs. But then when I came to know what they are talking about, and a few incidents used to bring tears in our eyes, because they used to share about those time of 92 and 93, who has who have suffered from that situation, and still they are in this program, still they are joining us, helping others to join as well. So it used to help people like us to make sure to take decision and join a muhim like this. And since then, I have also been working with several organizations, where we have been taking care of life skills in the youth, as well as women empowerment, as also we have been trying to work in the education sector, where we can help or support people who are not really having any kind of support of financial or advisory basis as well. We try to do the counseling as well, how you can grow up and how you can take your path of success in the future as far as the studies are concerned as well. So yeah, it has been 20 plus years. That is what I do for my peace of mind. That's it.
Lovely. And you do this alongside your professional work. That
Right. I
how
am
do
an
you
online marketer.
how do you manage this two worlds together?
To be honest, I cannot. I am unable to. I have been unable to manage, and sometimes it affects my personal and professional life. But whenever I am into this zone where I am right now, okay, so I kind of forget about those things. So it is like, God has given this opportunity, so he will also give me the solution if I am stuck somewhere. So I leave that to him. That is how it has helped me so far.
I think it's tough to hold the two. I'm sure it keeps coming
Oh
back.
yes,
Yeah, and
yes.
like
I
just
just, yeah, sorry, go ahead, Tejas.
Maybe you can
I was
complete
just about to
Shanawaz.
say,
Yeah.
no, you can
yeah,
complete
that is
and then
I already had around 11 a.m. There is a webinar where a lot of entrepreneurs are meeting online to discuss how to come out of this lockdown situation. Okay, it is very important because we all are facing the same situation. But before that, 10 o'clock was something which will help me set my mindset to come start working, to make sure I have my financial things taken care. So I thought of taking care of this first and attending this first, and then maybe I can watch the replay of the other webinar. So,
Mm,
this is how it has been with me.
right. Thank you for sharing that. Yes, Tejashri.
so I was saying we had a really interesting discussion, like Tejas sharing up his sharing her question, and then John sharing his journey, like of like his son's like intergenerational learning and pass it on to us. So we can sum it up like we had a really and Shana was also sharing his personal journey too. So we can sum it up the whole story of the Mohalla committee, like how we have seen like how we have seen like Satish family has formed this Mohalla committee for communal harmony and peace. So can you like summing up a few important points that would be like key takeaway for us because I think we have only 10 minutes.
Yes. Are you
I
referring to me?
am I yeah
Yeah,
like
I think we have
No, I
10,
lost you.
15 minutes.
I lost you in the beginning. Could you just repeat what you said?
okay sorry
Um,
okay
I
can you
can do
say what
maybe
is
summarize. So what
Yes.
Tejashri is asked, क्योंकि तेजस तुम्हारा ना वॉइस थोड़ा वो आ रहा है, क्या बोलते हैं, muffled आ रहा है.
Hmm.
So maybe I can summarize in for him. So what Tejas is asking is, we're also trying to wrap up the session. 10-15 minutes ही होगा हमारे पास ज़्यादातर अभी ज़्यादा से. तेजस्वी कह रही थी कि अगर आप कुछ की हाइलाइट्स बता सको आपके मोहल्ला कमेटी जर्नी से, so that will help.
Yeah. So
Highlight.
and also I think we have I thought like we have a 10 minutes, so like it was good to like summing up this the whole beautiful journey he shared about the Mohalla committee. So, but yeah, we can take up the questions also. But I don't know, like it was a suggestion from my side. But yeah,
I'll just check how many minutes we have. But yeah, you could reply till then, Sasha Nawaz, in terms of what are the highlights. And then Tejashi
Okay.
can submit.
Yeah. So I I'd like to say that 25 years का जो टाइम है जो शुरुआत से खत्म अभी कंटिन्यू है दिस वुड हैव नॉट बीन पॉसिबल अगर जो जनता है मतलब वी पीपल ओके अगर हमने इस चीज को बहुत ही सीरियसली नहीं लिया होता राइट आफ्टर 92 93 okay and it has been an educational journey as well for everyone else, every one of us and that is why the team of Mohalla Committee Movement Trust has been successful because everybody was eager to learn why this happened, how this happened, and what is the main reason behind it. So if they are if we are interested to learn, there are people to teach, right? So it was a give and take relationship between the people of Mumbai as well as Mohalla Committee Movement Trust and their facilitators and their team. Also, I'd like to mention how what an important role Mumbai Police had played during this journey of 25 years, because without them also this was not possible. So wherever we wanted their support, they were there, and they are still uh, with us irrespective of what they think and what their belief is. Okay, so this is something which is outstanding, and we really do appreciate and we are grateful and thankful to Mumbai Police and their cooperation. And lot of people from Mumbai Police has kept on this journey with us once they have seen what we are doing and once they have been with us. तो इस वजह से ये सफर बहुत ही मुश्किल बड़ा हो सकता था बट आसान हो गया इन सारी चीजों की वजह से। लोगों को समझना था कि इसके कारण क्या थे, और मुंबई पुलिस को भी जो है जानना था कि इसकी असल वजह क्या थी और उसका सलूशन भी किस तरीके से निकल के आया। तो मोहल्ला कमेटी के जो वैल्यूज थे उसके माध्यम से, मुंबई पुलिस की मदद से और लोगों के सपोर्ट से ये चीज, ये जो मैसेज ऑफ पीस एंड कम्युनल हार्मनी is been spreading around the entire Mumbai so far, and we are going to make sure that we continue this journey till the day we can. So I thank you all for listening to me today, and thank you so much for all those questions. It's a great pleasure of letting me in.
It's our pleasure to listen from you. And we have time till 12, so we have 15 more minutes. So we do not need to hurry. I just also wanted to ask Utsarga, you joined in a little later. So is there any question you would like to ask? You've been listening in for a while now. And Rohan also, if you have any questions. And John, of course, feel free to push us to think more. You have more experience in some of these things than any of us here. So please.
I agree.
तेजस्वी तुम कुछ बोल रहे हो?
yeah. So I think I wanted to ask like if you like I touch upon like how to become the Mohalla committee member. So I think I have missed that point somewhere around.
Yes, it's pretty simple that one of the major condition is what that you're not supposed to be associated with any political organization. Okay. Apart from that, if you really believe that this is what needs to be done, if you really believe that this is something which will make a huge difference among the people of Mumbai, then you are more than welcome.
How we can become like is there any like we have to like you can share about a little bit about how we can do the registration or something like that.
Join the joining process, right?
Yeah, joining process.
So there is a registration form which need to fill and submit, wherein we'll be asking you a couple of questions regarding what I have just shared. That are you associated with any political, or if you are in future as well, we will not be able to have you as member of Mola committee, even voluntarily as well. Okay, and we'll be just needing your residential details, where you belong to, because we are working in zonal level. So whichever zone you belong to, you will be needing to get associated with them, and then all together you can join us in our monthly meetings.
So, just I also wanted to ask, what are Mohalla committees doing right now, since COVID has been all around and there's been intense work, I'm sure, happening, intense need in communities, and what kind of work have been Mohalla committees been able to do? What are the different zones? You've been saying there are zones, but can you tell us how many zones are there in Mumbai?
There was 13, but now it is 11. We have kind of combined a couple of zones and brought it down to 11. All right, so it's all over Mumbai. And what we have been doing, everybody is trying to share their bit by providing whatever resources they can, because that due to the lockdown, we are actually worried about our bread and butter. Okay, and there are so much of labor category people who are working for us, and that is how the life of Mumbai has been going, but they were affected by this majorly as well. So we are trying to provide whatever we can through anyone possibly we can. And I have been able to work with the local organization during this lockdown with a couple of team members who could come out, because it is a serious situation. So we cannot force or request anyone. It is just a voluntary action. If you want to perform, you can do that. So in my locality where I reside, we have been able to help around 4,000 families for dry ration. And for 2.5 months we were able to distribute daily lunch and dinner to around 800 people. So just stopped the dry ration and the food recently, as we saw that things are coming back a little normal and people are going out and try to work and something. And even our sponsor, they had a limit and they had to hold their hands. We thank them as well. uh, yeah, that's what we have been able to do.
Great efforts. I think great efforts on ground, and on these are the times I think on ground reach and on ground connections have been the most powerful ways people have been able to hold on to.
Right.
Also, Ravindranath has joined again. In case Ravindranath, you also have questions, you could please either ask over voice or type in the chat. We have last 10 minutes, and I think I would like to kind of ask you to share the last one question, I think, which has been your most powerful project or powerful times when you felt like the committees really come up and really able to do something. What has been very powerful for you?
Well, for me, there are a couple of them actually, because maybe I just love the work they do. And since they are a team, we are a team working behind the screen. So whenever there is a chaos situation happening, no, like recently we had NRC and CA thing happening so much. So mostly at that time, no, our team, we become super active to make sure that we try to control the rumors first of all. Okay, and try to just shut it down wherever it began, and make them feel that this is not right unless you go to the depth of it. Do not share or promote or believe that as well. And after that, we also try to hold a few group discussion amongst different categories of age, like starting from 15 years till the maximum age we can. So where I reside in my society as well, I used to try and come out in the evening and discuss with women's aunties as well. Try to share what they are thinking and what are the news they are getting. So I try to clarify whatever knowledge I have with them, to make sure that they are not having any idea about the religion or anti-religion kind of feeling in them, because the news were you have seen what was happening, and it was getting connected to various intentions. So that is something where we saw that we were able to capitalize in that situation and make sure that nothing happened in Mumbai, even though one or two small incidents spark were about to begin. But I'd like to just talk about one incident which was in near I think Mumbai Central. There was a small group of people, of women especially, like Shaheen Bagh. They were set up over there, and some of I don't know, disturbing things was about to happen, and the team of Mohalla committee over there reacted quickly with the help of police, and they were able to calm the situation.
Amazing, amazing. I think, and the kind of intervention that you're saying during the CNS is also quite sharp, because I think the feeling about anti-religion was very persistent for so many people. I think, and I know so
Yeah.
many of my close friends said that, I feel I don't belong. I don't know how to deal with it. So I think it's really insightful to be able to have tapped to that small part and hold on to this. We have two questions. One is
Or
from Utsarga. She's asked, have you thought about Mohalla committees being implemented in other states? If yes, then how has it happened? If not, then if there been kind of thoughts to kind of share it with other states that this is how Mumbai has been able to do it, or even inside Maharashtra. Another question John has asked. I would like to hear some positive ideas on what issues you feel are important or divisive which we can work against.
yeah, so first of all, about how or why Mohalla committee is not in just Mumbai and not in the other cities. The answer to that is basically, uh, we stay in Mumbai and we have been able to work behind the scene, and it has not been easy. Okay, but somehow, because we stay here, we have been able to settle down things. And I have seen that majority of other cities, people, we were not able to connect with them properly. We tried actually, all right, and since we saw that we are in a small numbers, and we are working hard onto making sure that Mumbai is kept safe, we could not expand. And like I said, from last 3 years now, we are working on expansion as well, because we have few more new people joining in with bright ideas and some good initiatives. So we are working on that part, and we are really interested in taking this to the next level, so that we can pass on this example and make this happen in the next city as well, so that we can keep the entire country a better place and safest place as possible. And what was the next question?
I'll just
I'm sorry.
repeat John's question. I would like to hear some positive ideas or what issues you feel are important or divisive which we can work against.
Yes, of course. First of all, like I had said, that people get influence, and they are unaware about practical things, real things. So you need to be very sure. If you are very clear about any information, if you hear something, or even if you see something on WhatsApp group, or Telegram, or any social media platform, you just cut them and take that initiative to step in and say this is not correct. All right, don't be afraid of that, because nobody is going to stop you saying what you want to, unless it is something which is against uh, so many things. Okay, so we practice that a lot, and we have been successful doing that. That is why, even if I am staying in Jogeshwari in Mumbai, and if I see something happening in Mahim, if I see something, somebody's talking about something from Mahim, I can easily cut them down using social media. Okay, and I also do chatting with different people whenever I get time, like in practical I meet them. So you have to have connection with a lot of people as well, and that is how you can work with more what do you say, effectiveness. ज्यादा आप काम कर सकते हो उस तरीके से.
Right. Amazing. So we have last 5 minutes. Um, if there are not any questions, I think maybe we could just go to closing this. And for closing, maybe if I can request everyone to just share that one thing that stayed for you from this conversation. And some of you can share over voice, or some of you can share in the chat box. Just in a line or two, what is the one thing that stayed for you from this conversation? Anybody would like to begin? John saying getting girls involved.
Yeah,
Mitch,
sure.
Roshan, Rohan, sorry, not Roshan. Ravindra, anything you guys want to share?
I can share.
Yeah.
So one thing stayed with me is कि कैसे मेन इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए। जैसे कि शहनवाज ने शेयर किया कि हम ट्राई करते हैं कि वुमेन इंक्लूड हो एंड दे आर ट्राइंग कि फुटबॉल के लिए भी। तो आई गेस आई डोंट नो, मतलब आई फील गुड कि कैसे एक जैसे सर्कल ऑफ वुमेन वो लोग जेंडर इक्वालिटी के लिए काम करते हैं एंड उनके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। वैसे ही मेन के लिए भी कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है इसके लिए काम करना, बिकॉज दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर इकोसिस्टम। सो यही था एंड थैंक यू सो मच। आई एम ग्रेटफुल कि मैं सर्कल का पार्ट बनी आज। तो मेरे एंड से यही है।
Thank you, Nisha.
Thank you, Nisha. Thank you.
Ravindranath was also trying to share.
Yeah. Shahnawaz, it's a really good session. I appreciate the work taken up by Mohalla Committee, particularly in Bombay. I lived there for about 3 years. I could see particularly the festivities, what you have referred at that time. I also experienced while traveling from Bandra to South Mumbai. It was a great work. But at the same time, when you were talking about the cricket organizing and all those things, you should try to educate the woman from the particular religion and see that they get involved. Because unless and until a country will really develop when women back at home, she learns to do good things and educate their children, then all these atrocities, what are happening against women, all this, it will start from the motherhood there. So unless until you give an opportunity for them to come out of the hijabs or anything, at least you can make only women.
Sure.
That is one thing. Second thing, as you said, that you can be expanding for the other cities. You can definitely look to Hyderabad and Delhi as the two next sessions where there is a lot of always very small event. Globally it happens, it gets tense in these two cities. Anyway, good luck.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone.